In this video, I'll show you how to make creamy and smooth pistachio ice cream that's easy and quick to prepare. Its silky texture and delicate flavor are perfect for those summer afternoons when you just need a little sweet indulgence. For more detailed information about my food processor and the ingredients I use, please watch this video. Let's start by adding 4 tablespoons of milk or rice milk, followed by 150 grams of maple syrup. Then add 150 grams of pistachio butter. Depending on your taste, you can add a pinch of salt. Personally, I didn't like the taste of the ice cream with the salt, but I found that adding 1 teaspoon of lemon juice made the flavor a bit brighter. This is subjective, so it's entirely up to you. Next, add 1 teaspoon of psyllium husk or 1 tablespoon of potato starch and 1 generous teaspoon of protein powder. Before you say anything or stop watching this video, the next ingredient is optional and mainly used to intensify the green color of the ice cream. And no, you won't taste the flavor. Add a small handful of spinach leaves, preferably baby spinach. I couldn't find the baby variety, so I'm using regular spinach. Please don't exaggerate, pistachio flavor is delicate and can be easily ruined by other ingredients. Finally, let's add the frozen ingredients. 150 grams of frozen avocado and about 50 grams of frozen banana. If you don't like the subtle aftertaste of banana, you can use 200 grams of frozen avocado instead. Then add 150 grams of full-fat frozen yogurt, either plant-based or dairy. Start blending on pulse mode first to avoid damaging the blades. Then blend for at least a couple of minutes, scraping down the sides of the bowl if needed, until you reach a creamy and silky consistency. Like this. Transfer the cream into an airtight container and store it in the freezer for about 4 hours. Look at that. I hope you'll give it a try, it's absolutely delicious. This ice cream is quite rich and high in calories, with a moderate amount of healthy fats and sugar. I wouldn't recommend eating it all in one day. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and share, leave a comment, consider subscribing, and hit the bell to receive notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.